ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Thank you for coming back. My name is Brian. I'm with GreyWolf Towers YouTube channel. I just wanted to show off a piece of tech that I thought could really use some showing off, because you always hear about NVIDIA cards, but you don't usually hear about the AMD side. So I thought I'd throw out a little unboxing of an AMD RX 570 4GB card. This is the black edition. They aren't all the same, but this one is a pretty nice looking one. I've already opened the box, tore the box a little bit myself. It is supposed to come with the graphics card, the warranty card, a 8-pin adapter in case you don't have an 8-pin adapter, and the CD for installing the drivers. So one of the nice things about XFX, which is the brand of this specific card, is that their boxes, although plain, come emblazoned with their logo on it, kind of like an embroidery on clothes. It's really, really nice, and I love that detail that they add to it. It shows that they really care about their product. Now inside, you've got the little cardboard piece that's going to have things like in here, the 8-pin adapter, and the installation software disk. So these we don't actually need because our equipment has the adapters and everything already. So inside we have the video card, and we've got the warranty information. Now the warranty information I'm going to put aside because I'm going to be putting this into my middle child's computer. This one is going to be for her schoolwork. So comes wrapped in the anti-static bag like every other video card that I've had, so no big deal there, but it is nice to know that they are consistent. Then on top of that, there's a very nice sturdy feel to the card, plus it has a backplate that's metal. Gotta love the metal backplates, especially when they're so sleek. It even has XFX on it, so that when it's sitting inside you can actually see it if the lights are right. So that'll be nice. It does have one 8-pin connector, so let's take a look there. There you go. So 8-pin connector. 2 fans. Now the nice thing about this specific series is that these fans are what they call hard swappable. You can actually replace these fans with different fans, such as LED fans that XFX themselves produce and sell. So they are actual mods developed and designed by the manufacturer to work with their cards, as opposed to having to go third party and get something that may or may not work correctly or may short it out or anything like that. Now this specific card has 3 display ports, 1 HDMI and 1 DVI. So it remains compatible with some of the older stuff while remaining compatible with the newer stuff. And another awesome feature about the 570 4GB is that it is VR ready. So it is a nice feature that I'm glad that my daughter will have access to later on in life. Hopefully in the next year I'll be able to drop down some money for a VR kit, but we'll have to wait and see. So anyway, just a quick little unboxing video that I wanted to do. Anyway, thank you Christopher Yee for all the support that you've done. Also, his channel as well as his Discord is down below in the description. I am a moderator on his Discord. You're welcome to come by and say hi to me or anyone on the Discord. My username is GreyWolf79. Aside from that, if you want to help support this channel, you can purchase some of the swag. We've only got 2 items right now, and I only make about 75 cents each item off of it, but every little bit helps. Aside from that, just subscribe and comment and hit the like bell if you thought that this was a good video. Give me a comment. I'm happy to hear from my viewers and see what's going on. I do have an upcoming Q&A video that's planned. It'll probably not be until after the 1st of the year, but it is coming, so keep tuned. And yeah, hope you guys had a happy Christmas and a Merry New Year coming up. So you guys have a great day, and thank you for viewing my channel.